Hey everyone, Anthony Yiman here with the Guillette Group and Premier Plus Realty. Today I got a little treat for you. I am in Westport, which is Port Charlotte, Florida. Yes, that's still Southwest Florida, so we cover that area as well. Cover all of Florida, to be honest. So if you need help anywhere, let us know. If we don't take care of it personally, we have a great referral network that we can hook you up with someone. It is nice, bright, and sunny out today. October, this is where we start getting that weather we've all been waiting for. But I want to show you something that I've been waiting for. Beautiful new community up here by D.R. Horton. I'm going to show you the Wheaton model. It's a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath. You get a den. Beautiful, beautiful home. Lots of upgrades. And you're about 2,500 square feet. So let me take you on a little tour. Come with me. Okay, my friends, here we go. The Cove at Westport by D.R. Horton. And all right, hold on a second. I'm sorry, I gotta stop there. We'll get to the house in a second. I gotta show you this spot, the Twisted Fork. It's less than a mile away from the community that I'm talking about. It is awesome. Restaurant, full bars you could see. Check out this venue and this space out back. They have live music 7 days a week. This place gets pumping. They've got it all. They got cornhole tournaments. They have Rockstar Bingo. They've got karaoke contest. They've got concerts right out back there. I mean, this is the spot. You want to practice some putting? There you go. All right, sorry. Anyway, back to the house. So this is the Wheaton model. As I mentioned earlier, you've got 3 bedrooms and a den, 3.5 baths, over 2,500 square feet. It's an open concept floor plan, which we all love down here. And I'll kind of walk you through it, let you kind of check it out and tell you what I think, but then you can tell us what you think in the comments, or feel free to reach out via email or by phone. So D.R. Horton really did a great job with this community, but also with this floor plan. You see the square footage there? You're getting everything you need. Here's a shot of the den, but they did a fantastic job with the square footage. It is laid out perfectly. As you walk through with me, you'll see that there's really no wasted space whatsoever, and that's when I fall in love with a floor plan. I can't stand when I I'm showing homes, or you go to some of these models and there's just an area that you scratch your head and go, what were they thinking? Like, it doesn't make any sense. I couldn't find that here in this home. Garage, that's all you get, a little peek. Big deal, right? There's your half bath. You don't realize how important and how great it is to have a half bath until you have a half bath. See, look at that space, and this comes standard. They're a production builder. You're gonna get the home. You're gonna get a lot of great features, which D.R. Horton really stepped up their game, I feel, the past few years on what they give you as far as finishings and upgrades. But a lot of stuff, with the closets and the laundry room, like you saw, you'll get that wire shelving. But a lot of folks like that because then after they close and the home is theirs, they can get or install the shelving in the closet system that they want. And I like that freedom of choice. I know that my wife does. She's very particular. She likes, she wants it set up a certain way. So we'd rather install it ourselves or have a company come out and do it. Living space is great. One thing you got to envision here, I did right away. Where's the TV? I would definitely have a nice big screen on that wall. Look at that beautiful granite That kitchen is awesome. I don't know if this video is doing it justice, but I'm a kitchen guy. And that's a nice big island. You see all the cabinet space. You've got the pantry off to the side. I mean, you can do a lot with that kitchen. This is great too. This dining area in that window provides natural light. Also another spot for nice view outside, whether you've got a water view or preserve view, or maybe you have a pool out back. Skip right into the primary bedroom. Nice big windows in there. Awesome natural light. Look at all that space. Tray ceilings. I really, really enjoyed this home. Oh, hey, how we doing? How we doing? Double vanity, of course. Nice big shower. Two very big closets in that primary bedroom. This way there's room for everybody's stuff. The husband doesn't get gypped. We don't have to store our stuff in boxes in the garage. We actually get a closet. I'll take you outside here. Love the sliders. Open those bad boys up, especially in the wintertime. Look at that. This particular lot does have a little bit of a water view. Look at the spacing out there on the lanai outside. Just perfect. Well, I hope you enjoyed the home. I absolutely loved it. If you'd like to know some more information about this particular property or that model, feel free to reach out to us. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget, subscribe, like, and follow.